Welcome back to our English lectures. Myself, Advani Muskan. Today we are going to have a beautiful story of from your Alien Hand textbook, that is The Cop and the Anthem. Now, before starting the story, I would like to ask you one thing. That have it ever happened to you that you want to do something, means आपका कोई ऐसा दिन है you want to do something but whatever you do it becomes totally opposite. मतलब आप जो भी करना चाहते हैं उसका उल्टा ही उस दिन हो रहा है. क्या कभी आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है? आपके साथ का पता नहीं, लेकिन हाँ, one boy is there with whom this incident happens, that is Soapy. So we are going to have a beautiful story of Soapy today in our lecture. This story is written by O. Henry, and trust me, the tales of O. Henry are really very interesting. So let's find out what are the things that Soapy wants to do and what happens instead of that. Now, The Cop and the Anthem. Now, this is the story of a man or a boy, Soapy. Story totally revolves around a character which name is Soapy. Now, who is Soapy? First of all, we will come to that. Now, Soapy is a homeless person and he is a jobless person. उसके पास ना काम है कुछ करने के लिए, ना ही उसके पास घर है रहने के लिए. So where does he lives? He lives in the bench of a park. Means वो कहाँ रहता है? पार्क की बेंच पर रहता है. So one day he notices the signs that all the birds are migrating. You all know that birds keeps on migrating. So he notices that all the birds were migrating and people were going out to buy some warm clothes and dry leaves were falling from the tree. So what are the signs for? ये सब सारे साइन जो थे वो किस चीज के थे? ये सारे साइन इसके थे that it is about to start winter. Means अभी winter start होने वाला था. So now Soapy had a thought in his mind that अगर अभी winter start हो गया then how I would live on this bench. Means उसके लिए यहाँ पर पूरे cold में रहना यहाँ पर बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. So that's why he had a plan. उसने प्लान बनाया that he will do something bad and वो कुछ ऐसा करेगा ताकि cops आकर उसको पकड़कर लेके जाए. Means he had planned that he would do something wrong. Means वो कोई कुछ गलत काम करेगा and police, cops means पुलिस आकर उसको पकड़कर लेके जाएगी. And what will happen? They will put him into the prison. Means if he is in prison he will get food to eat and he will also had a bed to sleep. Means उसके जो cold जो 3 months जो cold के हैं वो उससे पूरा safe हो जाएगा. So he had this plan. So now to exaggerating this plan, what he did, उसने क्या चीजें की? उसने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें की but सारी जो चीजें थी वो पूरी उसकी opposite हो रही थी. So let's start with the first thing. So first thing what he started, he thought that he would live in a he would dine in an expensive restaurant. Means he would go to the 5-star restaurant and he would dine over there मतलब वहाँ पे वो आराम से खाना पीना खाएगा. And then he will say, when the waiter will ask for the bill, so what he will say that he is not having anything to pay. So अगर वो कुछ नहीं देगा इतने बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने के बाद, so what will happen? The manager will call the cops and cops will take him to the police. So now he goes to the expensive restaurant and then he stops at the gate and he sees that how bright lit was that restaurant. बहुत बड़ा सा रेस्टोरेंट था and वो पूरा रोशनी से चमक रहा था. मीन्स इतना वो लाइट से भरा था and all the people were coming with good dressed and for very high-fi people were coming over. The high-fi people means the rich society के जो सारे people थे, they were all well dressed and they were all coming to the hotel in the evening. Now Soapy thought that would they allow me to enter. He looked at himself and he saw that हाँ ऊपर से तो मैं ठीक हूँ, बट नीचे से उसके शूज फटे हुए थे, पैंट उसकी टोन थी पूरी. तो what was he thinking? Would they allow me to enter? So he went to the gate. There the watchman was there and he stopped him. He stopped him and he looked him around and he didn't allow him to enter because he was wearing torn shoes and his pants were also torn. So looking at his dress, he didn't allow him to enter that 5-star hotel. Means वो expensive hotel में उसको अंदर जाने ही नहीं दिया. Means यहाँ पे उसका जो first plan था वो flop हो गया. So now he goes to the second plan. What he did plan, now there was a shop with a wide glass window bright with the electric lights. Now there was a beautiful shop at the corner of the 6th Avenue. It's a place. 6th Avenue is a place. So there was a shop over there and it has a glass window. Means बहुत बड़ी उधर एक glass window थी. Display आपने बहुत बार देखी होगी कि बहुत सारे ऐसे hotels में display होती है. बहुत सारे ऐसे शॉप्स में डिस्प्ले होती है. तो वहां पे वो ब्राइट, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने सोचा कि अगर मैं ये ग्लास जो विंडो है मैं इसको अगर तोड़ दूंगा, देन कॉप्स विल कम एंड देन दे विल अरेस्ट मी. So he took a stone from the ground and he threw towards the glass. So now the man who was sitting inside, the people who were sitting inside, they came running outside and they searched for search for the person who has broken the glass window. Now looking at them, that Soapy said that I am the person who has broken this window. मतलब मैं हूँ ये जिसने ये पूरी खिड़की तोड़ी है. So they all were laughing at him. नहीं, अगर तुम होते यहाँ पर, then would you have stand over here? No. Means अगर कोई भी अगर ग्लास तोड़ता तो what was his first thing? वो first thing काम ये करता कि वो वहां से भाग जाता. Now, but Soapy was standing over there because he wanted to get caught, but no one was believing him. So they were thinking ना अगर तुम होते तो तुम यहाँ पे खड़े नहीं होते. तो no one was believing him. So means यहाँ पर उसका जो second plan था वो भी flop हो गया. Now what he decided next? He decided that he will go to the restaurant where no one will stop him. Now where was that restaurant? Means that he found a simple and sober restaurant जहाँ पर गेट पर कोई भी नहीं खड़ा है and no one will stop him to enter the restaurant. So he find out the restaurant and he went into the restaurant and he ate the lunch or breakfast. He ate that thing. Now when the waiter asked for the bill, the Soapy said that I'm not having money, call the cops. I'm not able to pay the bill, call the cops. So what waiter did? They took the Soapy and threw him out of the restaurant. They said that we don't have time to deal with the cops. Means वो कहते भाई ये सब फालतू चीजों के लिए हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. So what they did? They took Soapy and just threw him out of the restaurant. Now here his third plan was also very flop. So now he had a fear in his mind कि क्या मुझे पुलिस पकड़ के लेके भी जाएगी. मीन्स मोस्टली लोगों को क्या फियर होता है कि भाई मुझे पुलिस पकड़ के तो नहीं लेके जाएगी. बट यहाँ पे सोपी को उल्टा फियर था, उसको उल्टा डर था कि क्या मुझे पुलिस पकड़ के भी लेके जाएगी. ऐसा मीन ही वांटेड टू गेट caught. So what he did now next, what he has planned, now next he behaves as if he was drunk in the proximity of a policeman. Now what is proximity of the policeman? Means nearness of the policeman. Means वो policeman के सामने ऐसे behave कर रहा था जैसे he was very drunk and he was behaving weirdly in front of the policeman. मतलब अजीब अजीब हरकतें कर रहा था. So what policeman didn't react anything towards the Soapy. Instead of the he told to other policemen that we have got instructions that not to tell anything to the college student because they were having some festival, they were celebrating some festival over there and they were allowed to party and enjoy themselves. So the policeman thought that Soapy is also a college student and he is enjoying himself over there. Now here his fourth plan also got flop because यहाँ पे उसको policeman ने arrest ही नहीं किया. He thought that he was a college student and he was enjoying the party which they were having. Now Soapy next plan, what he did, he catches an eye of a man in the shop buying a newspaper. Now he finds a man who was buying a newspaper and there was an umbrella kept beside him. Means umbrella was there beside the man. So what he planned now, he planned that he will take the umbrella and he will run so that man would follow him and he will call the cops. वो ये समझेगा कि अम्ब्रेला चोरी करके लेके जा रहा है तो he will call the cops. But let's see what happened next. So he moved towards the man. He took the umbrella with him. And he started walking slowly. And the man, when the man saw that he took his umbrella, he also started following him. Now he stopped him and said that this is my umbrella. Where are you taking my umbrella? So Soapy said, this is your umbrella? Means he questioned him. This is your umbrella? If it is your umbrella, call the cops. मतलब वो उसको कहता है कि अगर ये तुम्हारी umbrella तो जाओ पुलिस को बुलाओ. But instead of calling the cops, that man was totally scared. मतलब वहाँ पे उसको सोपी ने कुछ चिल्लाया नहीं, but वो तो scared था. क्यों वहाँ पे वो scared हुआ? Because the umbrella which he was having, वो कहीं और से चुरा के लेके आया था वो umbrella. So that's why that man was very scared. उसको ऐसा लगा कि शायद यही इसकी ही अम्ब्रेला है जो मैं चुरा कर लेके आया हूँ. तो उसने वहां पे पूरा अपना कन्फेस कर दिया, नहीं भाई ये मेरी अम्ब्रेला नहीं है, ये मैं यहाँ पे पड़ी हुई थी तो मैं ऐसे ही लेके घूम रहा था. अगर ये आपकी अम्ब्रेला है तो आप ये ले सकते हो. ऐसा कहकर वो वहां से भाग गया. नाउ हिज फिफ्थ प्लान वॉज हियर फ्लॉप. नाउ सोपी वॉज टोटली आउट ऑफ हिज माइंड. मीन्स अभी उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं आखिर अभी यहाँ पे क्या करूं. नाउ सो ही वाज टायर्ड विद ऑल डेज दिस केओस. वो पूरे सारे दिन के जो था उससे वो थक कर ही वाज अबाउट टू गो होम. सोपी वाज टायर्ड एंड ऑल हिज होप्स वेर डेड. मतलब अभी उसने पूरी उम्मीद छोड़ दी थी. So he was about to go home. Means he was walking towards the home. Now he began to move towards the Madison Square. He was going home. Madison Square is a place where he lives. Lives मतलब वही जो पार्क की बेंच पर वो बैठा था, वही प्लेस पे वो वापस सोने के लिए जा रहा था. Now what happened? While walking through the street, he stopped. There was his childhood home there. Means when he was walking towards the street, he saw a home. And means वहाँ पर जहाँ पर ये बचपन में रहता था. So then he peeked through the window. There was soft lighting coming out from there. So he saw that there was his living room. And soft music came from behind. Means soft music को सुनकर वो means उसकी जो पूरी soul थी वहाँ पर वो पूरी change हो गई. Means he got his memories of his childhood when he was child and his good memories with his parents, friends, and also when he was having very high hopes. Means when person is young and he is having high hopes, मतलब वहाँ पे उसको बहुत सारी उम्मीदें थी कि वो बड़ा होकर ये चीजें करेगा, ये ऐसा बनेगा, उसकी मम्मी की या उसकी खुद की. So hearing that soft music, his mind was totally changed over there. He kept on thinking that I have wasted so much of my time. Means सारी मैंने अपनी जो इतना मेरा टाइम है मैंने वेस्ट किया है सारा मैं यहाँ पे मतलब कुछ नहीं करने में, मैंने अपना वो बेंच पर बैठे रहने में, मतलब मैंने अगर मुझे जॉब मिल भी रही है तो भी उसने वो जॉब नहीं की थी. बिकॉज ही वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ दिस थिंग. मीन्स ही हैज लॉस्ट हिज होप. मीन्स पूरी वो जो उम्मीद थी वो उसने वहां पर खो दी थी. तो नाउ after hearing that music he decided that he will start working from the next day. Means उसको किसी ने पहले जॉब ऑफर की थी तो वो जॉब जाकर वो मैन से वो एक्सेप्ट करेगा, वो मैन को ढूंढेगा and then he will find out the job. Means on the next day he will start working and he will have a good life ahead. When he was thinking about all these things, suddenly an arm came from behind on his back, मीन पीछे से एक आर्म उसके शोल्डर पर आती है. So what was that? There was a cop. When he turned behind, there he find that there was a cop standing. So the cop asked him that what are you doing here? भाई तुम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो? तो Soapy said that I am not doing anything. I'm not doing nothing. Means he's answered to the cop, nothing. So cop said कि क्या मैं तुम्हारा इस बात पे विश्वास करूं? But how would I agree to you that you are standing here and you are doing nothing? So he didn't believe him. So what Soapy now, as Soapy was with his high hopes, means full of his energy, so Soapy started arguing with the cop. Now arguing with the cop is not a good thing, especially in New York. इंडिया में तो वो है ही, बट अगर आप कोई भी पुलिसमैन के साथ आर्ग्यू करते हो then it is not a very good thing. So when Soapy started arguing with the cop, so cop took him to the prison. Means cop took with him, cop took Soapy with him and he put him in the prison. Next day the judge announced him 3-month prison. Means जहाँ पर वो जेल में इतने टाइम से जाना जा रहा था, इतनी उसने सारी जो सब ये हरकतें की थी जेल में जाने के लिए, तब वहां पर वो जेल में नहीं जा पाया. And now when he was having very high hopes, he wanted to start working. So what happened? वो वहां पे उसको फिर पुलिस कॉप्स आते हैं और उसको पकड़ के लेके जाते हैं. Now that's all the story. That means this story is totally a humorous story, and from that what we can learn. From this we can learn that we should never live our hopes. मतलब कभी भी हमें हमारी hopes जो होती है लाइफ से वो छोड़नी नहीं चाहिए. Whatever may be the situation, that time will pass and we will have a better life when we are having a good hopes with us. So thank you for listening. Have a nice day.